World's largest banks hold an estimated $9.4 billion in crypto. According to a study by the Basel Committee, the largest banks in the world have about $9 billion worth of crypto assets. The study looked at 19 of the biggest financial institutions of the world. 10 of the banks were from the Americas, 7 from Europe, and 2 from the rest of the world. According to the study, a majority of the exposure lies in Bitcoin and Ethereum, or assets based on those two currencies. Bitcoin accounted for 31%, while Ethereum accounted for 22%. Other assets based on BTC and ETH account for 25% and 10% respectively. Other reported exposures include Polkadot 2%, Ripple XRP 2%, Cardano ADA 1%, Solana 1%, Litecoin 0.4%, and Stellar 0.4%. The banks also reported some amount of stablecoins, USD Coin, and tokenized assets.